In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents on WordPress.com. This can be a fantastic way to enhance the navigation and usability of your website, especially if you publish longer posts. A table of contents is a simple tool that helps your readers quickly find the content they are interested in, improving the overall user experience. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to log into your WordPress account. Head over to your favorite web browser and search for WordPress.com login. This will take you to the official WordPress login page. Click on WordPress.com. Everything you need to build your website, which should appear as one of your first search results. On the login screen, enter your credentials carefully, ensuring no typos, and hit Enter to proceed to your WordPress dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Now, if you're running WordPress locally, which is often the case during the development phase, you'll need to enter localhost WordPress WP admin in your address bar. This is where most of your site management will take place. From the dashboard, locate the Pages option on the left-hand menu. Clicking this will display a list of all your existing pages. Now choose the page where you'd like to add a table of contents. Select Edit on your chosen page to make changes. If you're using Elementor, a popular WordPress page builder that makes designing web pages intuitive and creative, you can achieve this effortlessly. Click on Edit with Elementor to open up the page builder interface. Once Elementor is active, look to the top left for the search bar, where we will find our widget of choice. Type in Table of Contents into this search bar. Upon pressing Enter, you should see the widget appear in the selection panel. Click on it to add it directly to your page, or drag it to the spot where you want your table of contents to appear. With the table of contents now in place, you have the option to customize its appearance. Ensure that it matches your website's aesthetics and is positioned strategically to maximize visibility. You can choose from various styles and formats, using Elementor's customization features to tailor it to your liking. This tool automatically updates as you make changes to headings on your page, making it a dynamic and incredibly useful addition. To wrap things up, remember to save your changes. Click either the Update or Publish button on the bottom left of the Elementor panel. And there you have it. Your WordPress page now has a functional and stylish table of contents ready for your visitors to use. Not only will this improve navigation, but it can also lead to extended session durations as users engage more thoroughly with your content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.